Subscribe to Android Discovery Channel. And press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Amazfit completed 3 years in the Indian market, and to celebrate the success, Zepp, a Huawei subsidiary that owns Amazfit, announced its first Zepp-branded smartwatch dubbed the Zepp Z in the Indian market. The new Zepp Z is a premium smartwatch that comes with over 50 watch faces and Alexa voice assistant support. The Zepp Z watch is priced at $25,999, which converts to roughly around $350 and will go on sale starting July 20th in India. This is cheaper than the Chinese pricing of 2,699 Chinese yuans, $417. But do note that the Chinese edition features ECG support, which the Indian edition lacks. Zepp Z smartwatch features a circular dial with a 1.39-inch color display and a resolution of 454,454 pixels. It is a touchscreen AMOLED panel with 500 nits of peak brightness and 326 pixels per inch. The screen has a protection of 2.5D Gorilla Glass 3. Smartwatch comes with over 50 watch faces and has 3 buttons on the right. It comes with multiple sensors like a heart monitoring sensor, an oxygen level monitoring sensor, and also features a stress and sleep monitor. It has 90 sports modes and supports GPS. Its major highlight is the Alexa voice assistant support that also works offline. The Alexa Assistant comes with support for 58 voice commands for a hands-free experience. Lastly, the smartwatch has a 340 mAh battery that is said to last for up to 15 days. It can be fully charged with the magnetic wireless charger in 2.5 hours. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.